Hi, Gemini. Hi, welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So sa video, let's do yung energy check para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising ng Gemini. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. And again, this is for guidance purposes. So ano bang message para sa Gemini? Your energy check we have here is si Jupiter. So number 6, liberation, opportunity, and a wish to expand. You know what, in astrology, isa yan sa mga favorite planets ko. Tinitignan unang-una sa mga chart. Why? It represents not just expansion. Nag-represent din siya ng opportunity, ng blessings, and growth. So, andito na pinapala sa'yo ng universe with this card na growth can be painful. Di ba? Growth can be, may take time and it will require a lot of changes. Isipin mo na lang kung paano nagiging butterfly yung mga caterpillar. Dumadaan sila sa metamorphosis stage. Nagiging cocoon sila. Mula dito, nagtatransform sila. So, I can't imagine kung nasasaktan. I'm not sure kung nasasaktan ba sila in the process. But maybe, kasi nagbabago sila ng anyo. So, see, and it takes some time. Same thing din sa sinasabi sa'yo ni Jupiter na pwede maging masakit yung process kasi madami kang tatanggalin. And andoon yung point na hindi mo ma-recognize yung sarili mo. Diba? Ang laki ng difference from caterpillar to butterfly. However, yung blessings na tatanggap ng caterpillar na yon na nag-transform into butterfly, it's so different. People are scared of the caterpillar, but they admire a butterfly. And a butterfly can also go to places and explore the world, which is yun yung gustong ipahiwatig sa'yo, Gemini. It's time for you to explore. However, it's time for you to first change who you are. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para magkaroon kayo ng access sa mga future videos natin. I'll see you soon. Bye!